Hey guys, how's it going? Nicholas, how's it going? I'm your girlfriend, Max DeLoco, or Delu. I don't think I have one, unfortunately. Crosschain, how you doing? Garfield, what's going on? Hold on, let me, yeah, repeat you. Okay. How's everyone doing? Foray, how you doing? I love you too, Natsuki. JHG, I don't know who you are, but I'm not gonna mod ya. Nutty Vapes, yes. And actually, I switched to something more stream friendly since last time. Let me get everything set up here, guys. Oh, Jacob. I mean, can I see confirmation that you're actually Jacob, just so I know? Like, ping me in SourceCode developer chat. Music too loud? Is it? Here, hold on. Let me turn up my voice a little bit, because it's not all the way up. There we go. How's this sound? Is it still a little too loud? This is my first stream. Thanks for stopping by, Cole. It is a little loud in my ears, so let me turn it down just a little bit. There we go. That sounds good to me. Hopefully that's good for you guys. Because that was actually kind of loud in my ears, now that I think about it. Matthew the Ace, I actually love the tutorials. Thanks, man. We really appreciate it. Pings you? Alright. Okay. I just want to make sure. I'll mod ya. Do I need to change any of the titles? Do the titles all look good? Alright, it looks like I'm going to be doing a, where'd that server? There it is. Okay. It looks like I'll be doing a commission. I'll be working on a commission for the stream today. It's going to be a really basic bot. And I may have to look stuff up eventually. Yeah. It looks like Twitch is more active. Yeah, sometimes that happens. I'm secretly Andrew. Well, then I'm gonna ban you, Rehash. That's what's gonna happen. Alright. Piece of the message. And let me open up my notes here. Oh, it's gone. Wait, where you at? Where you at, Morgan? Yeah, visibility hidden will do that, cross-train. I can't really say I know much about HTML5 or CSS3 anymore. I took two classes. I took Web Design 1 and Web Design 2 at college, and I took a web design class in high school as well. But it was all before that HTML5 and CSS3 was really used. how do you apply for dev and the source code? You just go ahead and go to our forums. It's going to be tscforum.com, and that'll get you to that. What in the alert? Oh, because I don't have that scene active. Okay, let me finish up setting up. Alright, perfect. Okay. We don't use Heroku, but we use glitch.com. We have a tutorial for glitch.com. If you go, so here, let me show you. If you go, I know I'm not in the right scene. 1 second. I'm just trying to find it. Here we go. Okay, so let me close that. All right. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So if you go to the discord.js or the Discord bot dev help channel, you can go to the pins, and I made this little message with all like the links for everything. Okay, that's just way too loud. There we go. Okay. So I made this message with all the links and just pinned it. That way you can get everything. There's a glitch.com hosting guide. And if you have something worth it, make sure it's definitely worth it before you ping me and to add it. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. It's a project setup video. I just checked that. That's at like 8,000, almost 9,000 views now, which is crazy, but Shoppy? I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, man. I've butchered your name probably 15 different ways now. Stonic, how you doing? I don't know if does the title say RPG bot work? I know the graphics we had did, but hey, I'm Paradox, but on my main. Gotcha, Morgan. No worries. What's this song? This is just the music bot radio. So this is all NCS music. Is non-copyright music. Or non-copyright sounds or whatever, and it's their radio, so it's live. It's just easy. That way I don't have to pick. It says fixing up tutorial bot. All right, so let me. I can change that from here, can I? 1 second. Boop. Live. Can I go here? What about? Is this just Streamlabs stuff? I can't change the actual. I can't. Okay. Let me go to Twitch real quick and change that. And I'm, of course, logged in on my personal. 1 second, guys. That'd be Jacob. He's one of the devs on. Oh no, what's? I don't remember if that's the right password. It is. Cool. Cool. I hear Deshaun. He's not here. Deshaun is at work, my guy. All right. Okay. I changed the title. We should be good now. Alright, so this is going to be the server we're testing it on. And let's go ahead and switch this. Alright. So I've kind of been just playing with how I'm going to run this XP and coin system. There's no admin on here for it. Get out of here. Actually, there's editor, so you could technically edit like the channel, like my live title, I think, or my live title down there or whatever. But yeah, no one's getting that. My coding juice. There we go. All right. Staff Mass, thank you so much for the subscription on YouTube. Mastermind, I might. Cole Stallwell, thank you so much for the follow on Twitch, my guy. Alright, so let's finish this So there should be a cooldown on this. This basically runs through the entire, like, okay, this might have to go outside. Will you make how to make a dashboard for a Discord JS bot? That's a lot of stuff that's I'm not covering right now. You could use a variety of things. I've heard of people using like Java FX. I've heard of people using like Electron. That's what Discord's made in, so I would use that. Alex Jumps, thank you so much for the subscription on YouTube. Welcome to the source code. I got accepted in the HypeSquad today. Hype, man. Congrats, CrossJane, if I can talk. How's the positioning here? I don't need to see that. Okay. My application, okay, so my story for HypeSquad was just dumb. So, my friend, he came over to my apartment, and we were gonna, this is like a year ago when he came over here and did this. We were gonna give him mod on the server just to help out because we really didn't have too many mods at the beginning. We still really don't. So if you want to become a mod and you are active on the server, go ahead and on the Discord server, go ahead and go to our forum and drop an application. But that was besides the point. So he made a Discord account on my computer, and then I applied for HypeSquad like 2 days later on my computer. I used my email and everything, so all the emails sent to me, but it went to his account. Like I could see the HypeSquad badge on his account. If anyone tagged me, tag me again because my chat refresh. Okay. How long have you been programming bots and programming plugins? Well, I don't do the plugins part. That's all Deshaun. He's not here right now. He's at work. But I've been programming bots only like 5 months now, 6 months maybe. But it was really on and off in the beginning. Like I was trying to decide if this is going to be my series on the source code. Ned, did you make a permissions command? What are you talking about? I really do need to like make a permissions flag video just so everyone can see. Like here, if we go here, no, I'm not in the right one. Don't be anything bad. Okay, cool. So these are all the permission flags. You should troll T-Mod Joe on Discord by randomly PMing him. Why? So these are all the flags there. So that's that. 40 admins? What do you mean? Congrats, cross-sharing. Yeah, so like it took me like a month or two to be able to get that transferred from his account to my account. You should try using VS Code. Man, it's like I'm already using it or something. Are you going to be doing a Twitch bot tutorial? And probably not. That is a completely different language that I haven't even messed with. From what I've like established or whatever, it's probably Python. Atom is not better. VS Code is technically an IDE. Atom is just a text editor. So you're gonna have a lot more functionality with this. So like just for example, like it'll be able to like read like whatever. So dot, and then I like ID. It knows what I'm typing. Like it's a lot quicker to like just be using that. Sonic, that's what you get. Don't start that argument here. No, I still like Atom too. Like I'll use it every now and then, but I've kind of switched to VS Code just because it has extensions. Like you can see what I'm working on and stuff like that. Am I in the? Oh, okay, I'm in the right bot. Mastermind, I have a bad feeling you're talking about like Spigot and stuff. If you're talking about Spigot, this is not the right stream for you, my guy. Said VS Code is better and got banned by Nightbot. That's what happens, man. That's what happens when you're too aggressive about your opinion. Download the Atom 1 Dark theme for VS Code right now. I already have it, bro. I don't have it enabled right now, so I can go like, wait, what is? Hold on. I didn't know if I really liked it all that much. What's it called? 1 Dark Pro. It's alright. It's kind of like a lighter dark theme. Nightbot is pretty aggressive, I have to say. Yes, it is. It's less aggressive if you hit that sub button up there. And if you didn't know, if you have Twitch Prime, or if you have Amazon Prime, you can connect your Twitch account, and you can get a free sub every month. So, there's that. Atom is not better. Don't start that argument. I'm talking about Discord permissions. Yeah, man. I'll probably make one. That'd be pretty something pretty easy. It wouldn't be something a lot of people really need, because it's really just like, so here, let me think. Let's go to files. Announce. So really it's just checking message.member.has permission. And I think this is outdated even. This might be deprecated. At least that's what the docs say. So yeah, so these say deprecated. Has. So I need to look into how to use this. I don't really mess with it all that much. Basically. Nebsy, I'm not going to argue with this on stream, man. You used a self-bot, I'm pretty sure, after being unbanned and told that if you do anything dumb again, you'll be banned. But I'm not going to get into it. What is the definition of deprecated? Meaning, like, so this would have worked like a while ago, but they released an update where this isn't the best way to do it anymore. So .has is really the best way to do it anymore. Sorry, man. Sorry, Igort. Just checked my email. I got into... Nice, man. Congrats, Rehash. Got in the HypeSquad. Hype train. Alright, so this one's done. Let's go ahead and close out the stuff we don't need. So... I wonder if he wants a... Morgan, are you still here? You should go to the Twitch account. This will be quicker. Am I in the right scene even? Yeah, cool. What do you need to do as HypeSquad? Really nothing. Like, I got in and I just have the badge on my profile now. Yeah, I just saw the other day that you could use, like... Okay, it didn't work for iCourt. I thought you could use Joy on there. How dare you lie to me. Alright. So, let's see. We need to... Do we have coins.json? Do we open it up here? So let coins equal require... Whoop, oh, nice. Require. And that, I like that too, because it shows you the folders that you're in right there. So I just need coins.json, and I know that's right there. And that is made, yes. What's the point of HypeSquad? It's just like, okay, so like, I get to sit in like a voice channel with Discord like staff members, and I feel like that's pretty cool. Just being able to do that like as a Discord like user, that was worth it to me. Kostawa, I'm really glad to hear that, man. There'll be more on like handling data and stuff eventually. So, oh, I like how they make it like the actual function F, not just an F. Yeah, there's a lot of like a lot less delay on here. There definitely is a way to link Minecraft to Discord. You just have to find the right API or the right package on npm JS. Sure, sweaty. Okay, I'm Paradox. So to check the levels and stuff. Okay, so this is what I have so far. So XP gain is just random, and this is inside of a cooldown. So I've set it to, what's it at right now? Alright, so I made this customizable, that's right. Oh, poop. Go reset that token. Client work, that's just it's just a normal bot. It's like, it was a like low budget thing. I'm just doing it to help out a member, really. It's really pronounced Stoel. Stoel. Man, my last name, I'm not gonna say it on stream, but how come you only have 4K subs? You have amazing content. Well, thank you, tech developer. What is this standby thing? Well, I'm getting a token reset because I accidentally just showed on a stream, but I am going to switch it around because I wasn't going to really work on this bot today, so I didn't even think about moving that token elsewhere. Alright, so let me make a token file. Token.json. Crashing, well, we appreciate the support, the extreme support there. Hashtag free sub. Java projects, how's it going, man? So eventually we're gonna switch over to just streaming code on YouTube. Don't worry, we're growing at an alarming rate. We should hit 10K subs in no time. Man, that's my hope. I would, like, even if we hit 10K by the end of the year, that would be amazing. Well, thank you, Cole. No. Listen, iCorp. So, whenever we stream the just YouTube, the delay will only be 10 seconds, just like it is on Twitch. I mean, it's on my Discord profile, so it's not like it's a secret. And David, that's not fair. You have me on Snapchat. He wants to do a Discord JS bot collab with me. Good luck, man. You can go ahead and go to the server and, like, just say you want to work on a project together. Like, even if it's just something like, not like really that you're trying to make a big thing, just something to work on. No. There'll be no 45-second delay like there is on YouTube right now. That's just because of restream. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stream coding content on there, and then like Deshaun and I, we really love, like, we're gamers at heart, so we'll be streaming. What the hell is this song? But we'll be streaming like gaming stuff there. We play Overwatch every now and then. We play a little bit of Fortnite. Actually, if we tech developer, thank you very much, but I'm gonna pass. We have hosting. YOLO Beast 1234. Thank you so much for the follow on Twitch. I know those alerts aren't popping up right now. I'm just getting a new token real quick. It'll just be one more second. Twitch app? It does have a chat. Are you talking about the mobile app? Cross-chain, that really means a lot, man. Well, New Boss has been doing it forever. I learned a lot from New Boss, and back in the day, man, that's where I started. DDoS, don't say stuff like that on anywhere. For real, man. All right, so let me go ahead and just change. Let me hide this file real quick, and I'm gonna change a couple things here. Okay. All right. The bits are pretty cool. Plus, so here, hold on. We have, if it shows up, there it is. We have the jar, and yeah, there it'll fill. I love it. Dogs barking across the sidewalk there. Yeah, that bit jar is really cool. Cool. Alright, so the way I've set it up, so we can go to config now because that's not in there anymore. But I just set it up so the time is 5 seconds right now, so we can set that differently if we want. They fell out, I know, man. They just fall out randomly. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Redstone Games YouTube, how's it going, man? Thank you for the follow on Twitch, my guy. It's 23:43 and I have school tomorrow. Good luck, man. Sorry, guys. Can't really make the neighbors shut up, but I would if I could. Alright, so let's continue working on this. So, how do we put the coin stuff up here? Yeah, coins is required. So we can go ahead and do if coins message.author.id. And then we're going to do coins. Oops, we gotta do message.author. Oh my god. It's equal to coins 0. Let current coins equal coins message.author.id coins. Can we get a bit rate? Man, I wouldn't mind that. I've got one more week before 1 week break. Nice, man. What are you gonna do on your break? What flavor am I vaping? Right now, this is a berry lemonade. It's like a mixed berry, so like raspberry, blackberry, and strawberry. It's fire. It's by Carnival, which I've been featured on their Instagram before. Fun fact of the day. All right, so how do I do this again? What's that? Oh, that wasn't the right button. How do I duplicate? What the? What? Hold up. Okay, there was like 2 cursors. I'm going to program and also explore the area. The area? Just your local area? It's definitely fun to like do stuff like that. I really want to get into like the super cinematic thing. Is the vape thing unhealthy, or is it just for the taste? It's not unhealthy, and it's not just for the taste. I used to smoke cigarettes. I started smoking cigarettes when I was like 14. I know, terrible, but yeah, it's not unhealthy. Do a little bit of research into it. I've done mine. I know that it's not unhealthy. The Royal College of Physicians in England or whatever, they came out with a study saying that it is like 99.3% healthier than cigarettes and no long-term effects foreseen. people just get really weirded out because it's it looks like smoking. So like I get that, like it looks like smoking, so people are gonna think it's bad, but don't hate on someone for asking questions. Like hate on the people that are like, hey, you shouldn't do that, vaping's dumb, you're dumb, stuff like that. Don't hate on anyone, but like you get what I'm saying. Let's see if I can write more than one line of code at a time. So okay, yeah, that's all I need then. I'm sorry for hitting the mic, guys. Here, let me fix this. So I've I don't know, I've put my pop filter back on, so that's kind of like in the way now because it doesn't fit anywhere else. Yeah, I use nicotine. So nicotine is a lot like caffeine, though. It's a naturally occurring poison, technically. So there's no water in this. It's vegetable glycerin and propylene glycol. Do the research, man. Nicotine is just an addictive additive. That's not necessarily true. It is addictive. I mean, nicotine's found in tomatoes, guys. Like, come on now. Why does every stream end up talking about vape stuff? Just because I'm vaping. I've watched so many streamers that vape and no one says anything. But me? Okay. Yeah, definitely just look into it. Yeah, tomatoes, man, for real. Look it up. It's a very small amount, but it's still in there. Nicotine comes from a plant. What is the highest donation? $50. B-Hop is a crazy motherfucker. I'm pretty sure it's excuse me. I'm pretty sure it's just his name right here, so yeah. I can't sub on YouTube. That's fine, man. You don't have to sub. Yeah, so like watch this thing and it'll just be his name the entire time. What's his framework? This framework is Discord.js. Nick14454, thank you so much for the sub. Or not the sub, the follow. I get mixed up because I have to announce like YouTube subscriptions and Twitch follows. Dude, I don't know what's going on with my body right now. 4A. Now I'm really interested in how many hours it is with you. What do you mean? Thank you, Nightbot. Yeah, that's what it does, man. Cross-train, I can't help it. If net vapes equals stream hate, sadly. Should I just quit vaping so people shut up? Alright, I gotta go. Time to sleep. 11:49 p.m. over here. Have a good night, Tech Developer. Thank you so much for stopping by. Yeah. I don't do bucket or spigot for that matter. Sorry, man. I am a Discord.js guy. So I just need... So, and then we do coins message.author.id .coins equals cur coins, whoops, plus coins gained. So whenever I do like stuff like that, you get a bunch of different stuff in here, but that's, I mean, it's still fine. And I hate this little function. I never remember how to write it, but I'm just gonna copy and paste it because I'm like that. And for the sake of testing this, well, I guess this is just random anyways. So you can get every 5 seconds. That's a little much. Let's turn that up. So every, oh, we'll leave it there for now. Mastermind, I cannot help right now. A little busy streaming, man. Go ahead and stop by the Discord help server, or the source code help server, or Discord bot channel on the source code help server. Or, oh my god. Well, that's it for me, guys. You doing an SQL for the and coins? I can, but that's just a lot of work. I don't know, man. I can set up JSON with the size of your server right now. It doesn't need anything more than JSON files, and that's going to be a lot easier to handle for me because I really haven't stepped into SQL yet. Like, I've done it a little bit, not to like the extent that you want. So we can talk about this more later, and we can switch it over eventually. But right now, I'm just going to build in JSON files. Have you done a help command? Help command is just an embed, man. Third try is a charm? What's that? What's a charm? DU1097. Thank you so much for the follow on Twitch. Will you ever touch on give coins command? That's just pay. I mean, I did that command on the tutorial channel, on the SourceCode channel. MongoDB, is it even possible to implement with Spigot and stuff? What do you mean? What coding languages do you know? That's a hard question to answer, YOLO Beast. Or YOLO Best, sorry. Why is the restream chat so big? It's not that big. It's just like, it's filling the... I just spit on my mic. That's the style that Deshaun liked. So he's like, use this. And I'm like, okay. Luke, I don't want to hear it, man. Don't be like that. Matthew the Ace, thank you. We appreciate it. In the Czech Republic, we have a midnight. And you, right now, it is 4:53 p.m. for me. Yep. I am in Chicago time zone. It's the easiest way to say it. I've had a stutter since I was little, so streaming's like a big thing for me. Do you plan on making a shop system to use commands? So the shop would just be like an embed. So we can make like a buy command. I have that. If you want to look at the code for that, Luke, leave me alone, man. I can be Ned. What do you mean? Court? I court? Dude, what is... I hate these songs. I hope you guys know, as soon as the stream's over, I like rush to turn this off. I finally made it to the stream. Welcome, Creation of Genji. How's it going? Alright, so he sent me a message. Let me switch scenes real quick. Oh, it was just a reply. Okay, let me go to Gertie. You can't be Ned. Ned is Ned. Are you sure? I'm not even sure that I'm Ned, man. I don't know anymore. We're not on standby anymore. Yeah, we're good. I just needed to check a message. Stoel. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, man. We really appreciate it. Let me read. I love your streams and your videos. I really hope you have a great day and you reach 10K subs and beyond. Could I friend you on Discord? I'm Squiddy, man. I mean, anyone can friend me. Go ahead and send me a request. I normally add them anyways. Thank you so much for that super chat, man. You're awesome. You gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful with Nightbot, iCourt. Does that go in? Hold on. Does that go here? Yikes. We can read your messages though. We can put them on screen. There we go. Yeah, let's try. I'm Ned's friend. I'm deleting you, iCourt. You're deleted. Does that not go in here? You know what? I'm gonna make one. Hold on. Was that okay? Hold on. Text. Add source. Jesus. This sucks. How do I edit this? What on earth? Okay, there we go. It is so laggy. Guys, I'm gonna lose it. I just want to edit. Okay. This will get reset pretty much every week, so where'd that go? How's that look? Let's size that up a little bit. Can you still read that? Oh my god. That doesn't look readable. There we go. That looks good. Leaving it there. Thank you, Cole Stowell. Pixelific? I've never heard of them, Luke. I'm sorry. Streamlabs OBS, it's just a lot easier. Plus, I can see the chat right here, man. Like, you can't beat that. You can listen to the Pixel Radio on YouTube. I don't want to test it, because if we get, I don't want to deal with like demonetization or anything on YouTube, man. It's not like we make a lot, plus anything we make. The reason why, like, everything we make, neither Deshaun or I take out any kind of money. Okay, I've had to once because I was in a pinch, but that was it. Can you add me to your test bot server? We have a public one. If you want to do !RPG Ned, or if someone in chat wants to do it, that'd be great. I might do it like an economy plugin. I think it might be RPG Net on Twitch for a. But that one's public, so that'll take you here, NetRPG. And this is like my RPG bot. It's not live right now. I can turn it on in a minute whenever I'm gonna get a stopping point on this bot because I want to finish it off stream. I do want to kind of work on it, but like just by myself with my music in. But okay, it went off. But yeah, that's the public one. I just found out my bot got hacked. Change the token, man. Change that token. And Adam, then you can test the kick and ban commands. I'm pretty sure that's gonna work anyway. I mean, kick and ban is pretty easy. I'll just test permissions. By the way, it was pretty funny whenever I put so what was it in? Announce. Can you write out like, so we need to get those we need to get the document going again. Do you have Discord Nitro? It's funny that you asked. It just ran out today. So yeah, I'm back to, it won't show my tag, but I'm back to a normal tag. Oops, wrong thing. That's not, I'm doing client work, so that's up to him. Cole, if you want to go ahead and like, so hold on, Sir Sweaty, if you want to send Cole on Twitch, or just add him, or whisper him the invite leak, or if you just want to have it open, I mean, it's not gonna bother me. It's just a test server. It's just a copy of what this bot's gonna go on. So it's not an actual like server that's being used. It's just me and one other person in there and a bot. My nitro ran out as well. That sucks. I feel you. And I was thinking about buying it again, but I'm like, the only reason because I get to use, global emotes is pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know if it's worth it. I have two phones, a Moto G4, which I use as my main, and an iPhone 4, which I use down here. Spotify music player, basically this. Dude, I need to do that because I have, where's my other phone? I have a 6S that I just stopped using because I got the Pixel 2 XL. Bro, this phone right here, I just plugged it in about when the stream started. It's about an hour ago. Has it already been an hour? No way. Where's the time? There it is, 45 minutes. So I plugged it in about 45 minutes ago. It's already at 65%. And the last full charge was over a day ago. Like over 24 hours. I like global emotes, yeah. Send the link out? Okay, I'm gonna post a link. I'm only gonna post it once though, since it's not technically, and I don't know how long I'm gonna be testing this right now. You know what? We're gonna have it there you go. If you want to join, go ahead. Let's see if anyone joins right away. See how quick I can build a server. Squiddy, how's it going? Is that you, Cole? I think that's who you said your name was, right? Cross-train, that's actually a good idea, but I don't know if they wants to do that. So, yes, the Pixel lasts way longer. I have the 2XL, so like I can literally go like 30 hours without charging my phone. Redstone, do you mind PMing me that? Let me hold on. Okay, 1 second. Let me turn off privacy real quick. Privacy. Oh yeah, you can go ahead and send it to me. Redstone, send that to me. Right meow. Because I want to look into it. I'll definitely do a series on it because we use Twitch, so that makes sense. Can you put it on YouTube, please? I have to go. The thing is, I have Streamlabs open right here. Let me go to the. Let me see if I can find a link real quick. And hey, Squiddy. Awesome. Thank you, Redstone. I'm looking at our previous messages, and it's how you forgot that you set your status as an invite link. That's hilarious. Alright, why'd I just get pinged? Who's pinging me? Mod chat. Alright, whatever. I'm getting pinged all over. 1 second. Don't be buttheads, guys. You'll be banned from that server. It's just to test stuff. Alright, so let me post that on YouTube real quick, and yeah. Sorry. What's up have you done so far on the bot? So let me go over that once I post the link on I can't find anything right now. My brain is just not working. I sent you a message, Dose. I'll be oofing in here. Okay, there's a link for you guys if you want to join that Discord server on YouTube. There we go. Alright, we Gucci now. Alright, so let's get here. Oh my gosh. Promotion. We didn't set up permissions or anything for the chats. Alright, so let me launch up this bot. Oh, yeah, I forgot to change. Cole, not right now. And definitely read the rules. Don't ping higher staff. Just post your problems in the help channels and you'll get help. It's easy as that. So things that are working right now are pretty simple. I don't think, I don't have announce. Yeah, I don't have that permission. I don't have admin. But so far, I think IP. IP? There we go. I have that cooldown on. Yeah, no hard feelings, man. So let me set up the help command. Okay, that 25 seconds is a little much. I don't have it 25 seconds. Okay. Okay, there. We should be good now. I turned off the cooldown. Okay, guys, go ahead and talk in that chat. Let's see if the coins is working and everything. Yep. Cool. Coins are active. Who has 29 already? And XP? XP is working as well. Dope, dope, dope. Yeah, so everything's gonna work fine with this. Whose server bot is this? This is Morgan. He's a member on the source code. He recently contacted me about getting a bot made, and it's just a really simple one, really cheap one. Ned, can I have the legend role on the test server? No, because it's not my server. So stop spamming, guys, please. If you guys are spamming again, I'm just gonna have to ban you. I don't even know if I can. Yeah, I can. No, we haven't. Garfield, it's just not gonna work with our schedules, man. He goes to school full time and he works full time. I work full time, and I'm just lazy like that. So sometimes I won't stream. I mean, you can go ahead and join staff voice. It doesn't really matter. Add field JS. Nice, nice. Why is there... Oh! That's why. I'm dumb. There we go. Now you guys can talk. Now you can talk. Whoopsies! Oh, man. I forgot that. Okay, so I went to comment out the cooldown, and I forgot to comment out message.delete. So it was just deleting every message. Let's play around with him. Just mess with him a little bit. How many viewers are we at? 22. Nice. I'll take it, man. I never check the viewer count just because I'm afraid it'll say like 2, and I'm like, ugh, it just hurts. Because on my personal account, I used to stream so much, and like I advertise on like Twitter, like I'd send out messages like on like Reddit or stuff like that, just trying to find like niche groups that would like enjoy it, and like I will always sit at 0 viewers, man. It was the worst like thing ever. Danny Boy Serg, thank you so much for the subscription on YouTube. So what the hell is a Gertie? I don't really know. It's just kind of the name of the bot right now. I'm new to Discord. Say hi. No. Console log. No, there's no eval command. Sorry, man. Bot login. .token. Or token.token. That's a good question, man. I don't know what Gertie is. It's just the name of the bot right now. Because it's going to be for... Morgan, are you still in the chat? Can I show that Discord server? Like, I'm not going to show a link or anything, but... Welcome back, Foray. Isn't it past your bedtime, Foray? I'm waiting for a voice meeting. Sorry, man. I won't be joining voice today. Just me. You get to deal with just me. Let's see here. Kabola. Thank you so much for the subscription on YouTube, and... Whew. Thank you for the Twitch follow, man. I can't say your name. I would assume that would just send a console log, man. What monster is this? This is salted caramel, man. It's a Java monster. These are fire. Yeah, I don't want to advertise. No offense, I just don't want to advertise another server right now. Plus, it's a lot better to grow naturally. Okay, I'm gonna fix that real quick. Rules, everyone. Oh, I can't. Mention everyone. Mention everyone. Mention everyone. Where's that at? There we go. If you guys want to do exclamation point accept, you could go ahead and do that. Do you like the doctor? What do you mean? Danny boy, how's it going, man? I'm working on a client bot. You are. Unaccept. Damn. R.I.P. Okay, so it's gonna be for this bot. Or for this server. So this is a little community here. It's a dark RP. Hopefully, okay. I don't know what's on your server, man. So I'm not gonna show too much, but that's just it. Yes, it does, man. You have the member tag. This is a bot for a client, like someone that's paid me to make a bot for them. Do it on purpose now. iCord, I'm sorry, man. I'll add you as a regular. But then people take advantage of that, and I don't want to do that. Yeah, don't use caps. There you go. But yeah, client bot just means no, look, you guys have member now. Member. That's gonna be like to accept the rules. You'll go. You will. Oh my gosh. Let me think. Oh no, I mean, no. I don't think it'll do anything more than like a 5-second timeout. You're allowed to request it. I'm not gonna do it right now. Just what do you like? What is your request? Source, I thank you for teaching me Bucket and Discord.js. Well, I can only take credit for Discord.js, Riley. I'm just gonna go right. Riley, but yeah, I can't take credit for a spigot, but that's all Deshaun, so. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, what is it what you want to see, Danny boy? You're allowed to request, I just won't work on it right now because I have projects right now. Nice. Garfield. That would be amazing. Danny boy, that's a good question. Go ahead and go to the source code Discord server and Discord bot dev chat and ask there. Which one of you gave me a virus? Okay, so Bucket was the original like Minecraft plugin API, and then Bucket got shut down with DMCA crap, copyright stuff, so Spigot replaced it. That's all you need to know. Haven't seen that monster before? Yeah, man. I got it at the vape shop. I need sleep. Good night, 4A. Thank you for stopping by. If I can, I'm all over the place. I'm blaming the caffeine. I've had too much today. Caffeine and nicotine, man. For A, that's how I say your name every time now. So, what all works right now? Let me look over this real quick. Report works. Report is done. The easy ones like store, website, pay. I'm going to work on that in a second. So const coins equals require. What is it? 2? Yeah. Coins.json. Yeah. No. And then I vape. It's midnight. All right, Danny boy. I'll see you later, man. On my stream, I did it before you. Oh, rip. But yeah. So pay, I'm gonna work on in a second. Help, I'll add more fields to that eventually. And we might change that to PM it because this might end up being a little bit longer. So add field, pay. No, let's do let's see. Forums. Let's make forums. And then we'll do add field, report, user, reason. Add field. You know what? What's the... Okay, does anyone here use... That's not the right word. Okay. What is a duplicate thing? Duplicate line. How do I... can you run commands in console for bots? I heard you can, but there's no reason to. You might as well do it in and they're not drugs, okay? Drugs would imply they're used as medicine. There's an add blank field. Yeah, it looks cool. It's only like, whoops, I typed B. So you just leave it like close or just empty. And let me reset it here. So help. It can look cool, so you have to use it right. So, all right, YOLO best. I keep on thinking YOLO beast because that's just like the word I associate with YOLO. Don't let the bed bugs bite. You right. That is a giant space. Oh, it's gone. One second, guys. Let me just make sure this isn't anything. Oh, it's just Danny Boy. Guys, just something to keep in mind. Please don't ping me in the chat unless you really need something. Shift Alt down arrow. Is it that? Shift Alt down arrow. Yeah, cool. IP. Game server IP. Dope. I see that there. I'll get rid of that. Website. Website. And then shop. And shop. And then we're gonna do pay as well. Add field. Pay. Pay user amount. All right, so the pay command's a little messy. I'm gonna go code because I have no life. Have fun, man. Thank you, Kabula. Thank you so much. I could not remember to save my life. Like I was thinking like Control Shift D, Control Alt D, Control D down, something like that. I just couldn't remember. I feel like my posture is just getting worse and worse as I code more. Yeah, man, I feel you. This is what I'm doing on a Sunday afternoon. Hold on, actually. I need to open up the blind thingies, whatever. Get that natural light, you see? Oh, Cole Stowell with the 10 bits, man. Thank you so much for the bits. You're dope. I'm sorry I missed the alert there. Does that look better? Yeah, that is a lot better. All that natural light. Since it snowed out, why is my hair like a freaking peacock? Alright, whatever. I need a haircut. But, yeah. No, I did it the other day on VS Code. I just couldn't remember what it was. I'm going to code because I need to finish my other bot. Go for it, Riley. If you needed help, go ahead and stop by our Discord server. Zero bits. RIP. Ads, am I right? Yeah, no, I do that every now and then. But I have to turn off ad block or whatever, or just allow it or whatever, and it's just pain. Alright, so let's code pay. So. Alright. This is where I need to grab code because I just can't remember it to save my life. Cool. Let me just, because I'm going to GitHub and it has private repos on it as well because I'm on the source code one. So let me just go do this real quick. Okay. I bought some bits and sent them all to Mr. Nanator. Yeah, you did. Thank you, man. I can't remember my code easily. I feel you, man. There's a lot of stuff I have to look out. The source code, can you upload the entire bot? Well, everything on the tutorial bot is already uploaded, so go to the GitHub. Did I close that? Yeah, I did. Cool. So let pay user equal bam. If pay user. Okay, so here, hold on. Okay, I need a command. So in my errors file, let me show you guys this real quick. I made this one. This could probably change everything. Or, oh gosh, whew. Whew, that scared me. Ads don't work on Twitch for me anymore. Really? What do you mean? Make sure you add the number thing too, please. What do you mean? Oh, because we weren't affiliated. Yeah. It didn't take long for us to get affiliated on here. Why aren't you using camel casing? What do you mean? Oh, like, dude, it's just how I code. All right, now we're ready to finish this bot. I'm just kidding, but we're gonna try. So this is the error, or the generic error message, which is just a custom error. It's gonna pass a string through here and just set that as a description, and it's easy as that. I also have a no reason one, user not found. So basically, you don't really need any of these once you have this one. So I might still use these just because it's probably easier. Like this is no perm, so basically you just pass a permission flag through here and it'll show up. And yeah. Duplo and above. So how do I become an admin? Well, first you gotta become a trial mod, then you gotta become a mod, then you gotta be pretty much just a legendary user on our Discord server. Thank you, Kabola. I need to look up like all the hotkeys for VS Code just because I'm not really good with it yet. Like I've used it for what, one video and then like one other stream, and I really haven't been using it that much. How I become admin? You don't, Garfield. You just don't. No, I don't know who's gonna be the next admin. I know that we are gonna be. So Okay, so this is kind of the official announcement, like unofficial yet. So we're gonna take a break from the chief manager thing. I'm gonna be the only chief manager for either 3 or 6 months. But we're gonna wait and get at least one more admin, and then how do I join the admin crew? Man, you got to be on the server for a lot longer than what you've been on there for. Currently, all of our admins have been on here for at least 6 months. I'm pretty sure. I don't know about Jack. I don't remember when he joined, but he's still one of the more active ones. But yeah. So let's go ahead and finish up pay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do errors dot user not found, and then this even tells me what to pass through it. So message, and then it says args, but what does args mean? So we can go here, user not found args. What is args? Okay, so we're gonna change that to username. Oh yeah, we'll just change that to username. No, actually we're not, because that's just gonna be arg0. So yeah, that's perfect. Args. And then so coin. Okay, so let's check if message. Okay, hold on, let me think here. Coins message.author.id does not exist. Then we're just gonna go and return errors.custom. We'll use custom message dot and then the error, you don't have any coins. npm. Oh my god, what does it stand for? Why can I not remember right now? I'm using Discord.js. I'm only using FS. I don't think I'm touching MS at all. But just right now, FS. I haven't really. I'm gonna talk to him later about the whole SQL thing. I don't really. The way I'm building it is not gonna be necessary. So, at least with his size server. Now, if there were like 1,000 people typing at once, then yeah, that's a different story. But why can I not remember what npm stands for? npm. Hello? Doesn't even say. Okay, I do want to show you guys a project real quick, just because it's something pretty cool. So, this is Electron. I've been working on this a little bit. Basically, so Electron is what Discord.js is made with. Node PHP server? What do you mean? Node package manager. That's right. Gotcha. I should have known that. I don't know why I can't remember. So what's my... Hold on. I don't think there's anything bad in here. Start Electron. No, it's just Electron. No. Node start. That should launch it. So this is like an application creator? Okay. Electron. Why am I not remember? Ah, what is... Oh my god, why can I not remember what the command is? Oh my god. What is... Electron. Dot. Am I spelling Electron? No. It's right there. Guess what, guys? We can look it up on here. I can't remember how to start this. NPM start. Okay, so this is the app. Electron dot. Now that works, huh? So it's really simple right now. It literally just grabs the Bitcoin current price. So yeah, and it updates every 30 seconds. And we can set this up too. I haven't set the update thing, but yeah. Alright, Kabola. I'll see you later, man. Garfield, you've gone through your periods of inactivity. Laravel dev. So, we're working on getting that set up. That'll be soon. But yeah, it's just a super simple Bitcoin tracker. But yeah, that could be coming eventually. I don't know if I'm going to do Electron yet because I'm still not comfortable with it at all. Like, I've only done this project and it's not really, like, I haven't really done much with it. Look at all these bots. Look at all the bots. All right, so if coins, let's check for the user, pay user dot ID does not exist, then we're going to make it. Oh my goodness. Coin, okay, so let amount equal. Does Ricky even talk anymore? I mean, yeah. I see Ricky on every day, but he's not like as active as he used to be. I kept on breaking rules, I'm pretty sure. He's not on the leaderboard anymore? What are you talking about? The negative numbers? I'll check for that. I'll do all the checks. Yeah, I'll probably do these up here. So, if args1, okay, so is not a number. Return errors dot custom error message dot, or yeah, that is not a number. Am I the person who started it? Well, it's me and Deshaun that started it. He originally started it and then brought me on like right away, and I was like working the back end of it because at the time I was just not in the spot to be able to record. That's the longer story. League of Legends, SAS Pliz, or Fortnite, both if it's possible. I don't know if I'll do League of Legends. Fortnite's pretty popular right now, so I could do that. I've been looking into it recently. I just haven't like had the time to really stop and do it. It's just been super busy for me recently. But yeah, thank you for the... Deshaun, is that you? How's it going, pal? The source code live. What's the error? Where's the error? Oh, down here. The hacker. how's it going? Thank you for the follow on Twitch, man. Please no hack. Lopata, how's it going? Hey, Sean. Just call him Sean. Don't even call him Deshaun. Just Sean. He loves it. If our okay, so let's do this first. Wait. Args 1. That way we can just get rid of this. Mount. And if amount is less than 0, return errors.customer message. Lopata, thank you for the follow on Twitch, my guy. Do a thing where it allows you to see how many servers your bot is in. That's really easy. It's just bot.guilds.size, and that'll give you the number. Yeah, this is not my bot. So 2 or 3 servers max. Okay, well we didn't go over that. That can mess with things, just so you know. The coins are gonna be global because I didn't plan on building this like with multiple guilds. So, and I already have the coin system started. What do you mean? Wait. iCourt. What are you talking about for Electron? Yeah, so the coins will be global. The levels will be global. Yeah, at this point, the SQL will just have to be a later date. Whenever you do need it, like once you need the... this is Express. No, this is not. This is Discord.js. Cole with another 5 bits, man. Thank you so much. Okay, only when I stream do I get messages. And it was my brother texting me an hour ago. This is Discord.js. Alright, so the error, you cannot pay someone negative coins. Dude, I don't know what happened to Proxy. I messaged her. I messaged her the day that she left. She never replied. Actually, Redstone, once you hit that amount of guilds, well, first off, you'll probably have enough money to invest in devs that can actually do this, but and help. But there's this thing called sharding. It's a way that it's from what I've gathered from it, it like splits the bot up so it can run more efficiently with that many users, because at 2,500 guilds, that's just insane. So man, I really need to get a smaller chat or a bigger chat or more chat ability, because I keep on forgetting what you guys say. What did you say? Where are you at? React? Yeah, React's really good. I haven't looked too much into it. Definitely just like mess around with like different Node.js stuff. But I would definitely, if you're just now starting with JavaScript, check out some JavaScript tutorials on YouTube. Just get a hang for it. You need to know the syntax and like how certain like methods work, like for loops, other stuff for each, and like just the general syntax of everything. Once you have like a language really nailed down, can you do a tutorial on how to do the announce, but make it announce to another channel like announce? Yeah, that's so let me figure out how to build this in here. Oh crap! Right now, you guys could do announce. Luckily, the bot's not on. I like how you put me above him. Morgan, you know G, man. Man, I can't say I've messed around with React enough. Redstone, I appreciate that, man. I'm a Java bot dev, but I really use Discord.js. Dude, it's definitely good to know both, like, because certain things are gonna be more efficient in different APIs. So, Python bots, man, I've thought about getting into that, but Python is just a whole nother mess. Hold on, let me see if Deshaun's calling. And I've learned my lesson not to stream his. Okay, let me go back. Let me see if he's home. You home, baby G? Cole, I have that built. So let me here. I was trying to show you that. Then Deshaun messaged me. So, okay. So is the bot up? Yeah. Okay. So announce. Hi. All right. So embarrassing. So I sent it here in general, and if we go up here, you can see the bot set it up here. No, I did it once, and that was enough to learn my lesson. I'm using a music stream. It's just NCS LiveStream. You can go to the channel, just search NCS, and it's gonna be the first thing that pops up. It's actually on MusicBot, so yeah. Now let's build. Okay, well, let's finish pay, because I'm obviously making progress here. Okay, so what else do I need to check for in the pay command? So after here, let set s coins equal coins message.author.id, and S is for sender coins. All right, so and then we can do this here as well. All right, what did you say before? Oh gosh. Control. Okay, is it Control Shift? What the heck? Do I have to have an empty line below it? Control. Is it Control Shift or Control Alt? Because that gives me two cursors. What the heck? Yeah, I'll check for that in a second. All right, so let's add that check real quick. So if payuser.id is equal to message.author.id, return errors, custom error, we'll just do custom error, message, you cannot pay yourself. I feel like this is out of order a little bit. Okay. No, that's fine. Control Alt down. I just did that, man. Hold on. Control Alt down. It doesn't do it now. It did it before. You got iCourt. You don't have any luck, man. Quit using all caps, man. Seriously, what, Morgan? You're lucky it didn't just ban you there. I just did it, man. It won't work. I'm telling you, Control Alt down. That wasn't what I wanted. I might have hit the wrong button there. It's not doing it now. I just closed that, of course. Control Alt down. Nope. Did it before. I'm not like losing my mind here. Okay, I go. Bye. Alright. Little Pata, thank you for stopping by, man. Yeah, he would. Yeah, he would. Alright, so. Alright, what? Alright. So, coins message.author.id is equal to, okay, so dot coins is equal to s coins minus amount, and then coins pay user dot id dot coins is equal to p coins plus amount. Let embed equal new. Oh, did I just forget how to do Discord embed? That's not what I wanted. Alright, set title user. We'll just do pay user was amount coins given to we'll do green. Ew, it's Ned. You're right. It is me. And ew, indeed. Mark Hendricks, how's it going? Man, we'll be going for a minute. An hour 30. How many viewers are we at right now? 15? I'll take it, man. How we doing on YouTube? I want to check. It's not really that important because it's just... Oh, God. Oh. 8 watching. Yeah, man. For some reason, like, we used to have, like, so many viewers, like, more viewers on YouTube. Like, we'd be sitting at 30 on YouTube and, like, 2 on Twitch. And now we're at 8 on YouTube and, like, 15 on, Twitch. Just fill up my tank real quick and we'll get back to coding. Yep. I appreciate all 8 of you on YouTube and I appreciate all 15 of you on Twitch. So at 6:50 Eastern, I am at 5:50 Central. I need to switch back to my RDA, but yeah. All right, so let's just do set author, and then we'll do message.author.username, and that'll be it. So message.delete, we'll just delete the message up here. Message.channel.send. Twitch is superior. SourceCode is a pretty OG name. I can appreciate it on Twitch and YouTube. Well, that's just because you're an awesome person. Do you get addicted to nicotine? Not necessarily. It is an addictive substance, but so is chocolate. So is a lot of things. Like, literally, you can be addicted to anything. It's more of like a feeling. It's like okay, so this is going to sound really weird for someone that doesn't vape, but it's like an oral fixation. So when you're smoking cigarettes, you get used to like inhaling, and that's more addictive than the actual nicotine itself. Well, Cigarettes are a lot worse. Like, I can go without this. All right. I think that's everything for this. Can you think of any checks? I've checked if the pay user was the message author, so you can't pay yourself. If you don't have any coins, that doesn't work. Do we check? Yeah, so we checked both of those. Actually, I'm just gonna put this up above. We need to save it, of course, but we'll get there. Yeah, I mean, this is berry lemonade. If you don't have a nicotine addiction or like a cigarette addiction right now, don't start vaping. That's all I can say. But on the same note, like, I've seen people use this like as a to satisfy their sweet tooth, because there's like literally millions of flavors out there. Why'd you block his message? What was it? Garfield, that's the client that this bot is for. Hold on. Can I check it? On other ways to learn, I mean, find a project that you think is going to be worth it and work on it. Like, I started a startup company years ago, and that's where I learned all like the PHP I used to know. The PHP like meta, like the normal, has changed so much since, so I don't really remember anything of it. We're talking about vaping, and now it's 11 viewers on YouTube. That's just how the world works, man. But yeah. Yes, it is. What'd you delete? Okay, so I can't tell who sent that message. I wish I could scroll up on this chat, but I can't. Come on, Restream, you suck. But whoever was learning on Code Academy, that's definitely a good platform. There's literally thousands of other free platforms out there. Like, what's the one I've been using? Hold on. 1 second. Let me... Free Code Camp. This one's good too. So this is like, okay, here. This is what it looks like. You just sign up, and like they have this simulator over here, and you get to write your code here. It's just literally simple HTML, CSS at the beginning, and then you get into JavaScript and stuff. So this is gonna like really help you learn a lot of like the normal syntax and like the base like code. I said CVM, but oh well, yeah. Keep it safe for work, man. Is there a free platform for Discord.js and Node.js? Are you talking about learning encryption? Because of learning it, I mean, you can learn Discord.js just by going to our channel. I will not stand by. I'm sorry, man. I don't have it on there anymore. We're good, G. Yeah, no. Just keep it. This is a family-friendly channel, okay? We've had like a recent like what's the word for it? I don't even know. But there was a lot of drama going on because of not safe for work. I watched a video about Free Code Camp, and it gets you to do projects and gets you ready for the real world. Yes, it does, man. This was really cool. And like you can search in your area, you can find like a local like group where you can go and meet up and learn the code. Like there's like I joined one in my group. I'm going to one on Tuesday. I'm going to a boot camp, a free boot camp on Tuesday, just from signing up on this website. And like it's hosted by a college professor, and he's in the computer science department. So okay, Nick. I mean, that's a little different. Garfield. Yeah, nothing's wrong with caffeine. I was mainlining caffeine since I was 3 years old. Code Clan. Hashtag Code Clan. Ah, quartz burnt. All right, so back to coding, because that's what we do on here. Oh, 1 second. Lane. I don't know why I thought someone told me what time he's off work. All right, so is this bot still on? Okay. Is there a break there? Oh, there is. I don't like that. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do inline. Let's see how inline looks. Hopefully you don't mind, Morgan. I just want to see how it looks. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of messy. So let's go back to... Yeah, they do. I'm sorry, iCourt. iCourt, I'm going to add you as a regular after this stream, I promise. Or if you subscribe, you can bypass that because I turned most of the stuff off for, like, subscribers can send, like, links and stuff. And talk in all caps if you really want to. 122 dev, there's a video for that. So yeah, go follow the video. That is on our channel. I think it's like episode 8, I think. Somewhere around there. I messed my code. It's not in a handler. Definitely use a handler. It's going to be a lot cleaner because you don't want literally like 1,000 lines of code in this index.js file because it'll just end up getting messy and gross and you won't know how to do it. You're sweaty, man. Stop making fun of me, Ned. I'm sorry, dude. Some people are just easy to make fun of, you know? Did I miss an alert? Dark Clouds 270, thank you for the follow. On Twitch, that is. Alright, let's finish this. I believe... I want the... Let me just use this one. I believe I need another period there. Pay at Garfield. -5. Pay at Garfield. Pay. Alright, so... Make a bot for this Twitch channel. Sweaty. It's just how it is, man. You can subscribe if you wanted to. Someone did send me a JS library for Nightbot, or not Nightbot, but Twitch bots. So I might look into it, and if I can make one, I'll make one, but it'll probably just be really simple, my guess. We have 3 commands and then like anti-spam, anti-links, and stuff like that. If you need help, please join our Discord server. I hate something you spend an hour trying to fix and then give up. Yeah, man, I feel you. We have a Discord server to help you. If you want to join that, just go ahead and do !Discord. That should work in both chats. You could also make a point system like some streamers have. So I want to do that. There'll probably be like some kind of coin system if I did code my own bot. What else was I checking for here? Okay, so let me get Garfield's. Whoa! How y'all getting that many coins? Oh. Oh, FS is not defined in coins. That's why. Or in pay. Whoopsie daisy. What do I have left to do? Okay, so I need that document to be able to tell you. 148. I'm pretty sure you're the first one. Nope. Hold on. Talk in that chat. Wait, why is that a string? Oh, because okay, hold on. I need to stop this. Oh, no, I need to stop it. Stop that. Okay. I don't know what to tell you, Dev. Join our Discord server to get help. That's all I can tell you. Yeah, so I fixed... There we go. That's fine. It saved that one as a string, so I can just change that. 148. So you have 131. That means someone else's is probably... That will know that. Cool. Pay at Garfield 50. Garfield, don't spam, man. I think I didn't even check. Did I check? If amount is more than S coins, return or errors dot custom message that is more coins than what you have. All right, so now that should be, I think this is done. Pay at Garfield 10. Why is it undefined? Is it just name? I think it's just name and in the title. That throws errors sometimes for some reason. Pay at Garfield 10. Why is it undefined? Pay user. That's defined. We're gonna do it the hard way. It's not gonna really affect anything. It'll just mention them. Or not mention them, it won't even send them a notification or anything. Oh, that's so annoying. Alright. So let's do... Am I the only person who's working on free code camp? I know, but you can't... It says undefined whenever I do the username as well. Okay, there we go. So, pay at Garfield 10. Okay. Give in. Okay, in coins. Do I have the coins command? Coins.json. Why is there... Oh, because I called that JSON, not the right name. Because I'm an idiot. I'll just grab this. Pop that here. Actually, we should just grab this one because that's going to have everything we need. You can't have two objects in the title. Is that what does it? I know it gets a little funky with user objects in titles. So you can okay, you can send you can do usernames in footers. I know that for a fact. All right. So if coins doesn't exist, message.author.id coins message.author.id. Important question, Morgan. Do you want other people to be able to check other people's coins? I've used it before. I can prove this. Hold on. So let's go to NetRPG real quick because I've done this before. What's it in? Hold on. Strength, I think. Set footer. There's an object right here, and it works. This is bot. Node bot.js. I need to start using the same name for all of them. Jeez, look at all those commands. All right, so let's go. Let's go to NetRPG and strength. So see, XP does work. I meant mentions. Gotcha. Still, username should work because that's not a mention. That's just a. That's an like. Man, I don't even know how to explain it, but whatever. Let's do some fighting. Wait, what's my strength level? 667. Nice. Fight. Up to me. Are you talking about checking other people's coins? Do you plan on having like a rob system whenever we go to like add more features to the bot? Does the everyone role have an ID? I don't think so. 1. Rip. That's why you can't do mute everyone. Yeah. Another 5 bits from Cole. Thank you so much. Have a good one, man. Thank you for the cheers. Have a good evening, man. You're awesome. Thank you for the $5 earlier as well. Everyone has an ID actually, but it's only attainable through code. Really? That's interesting. All right, I'm going to turn this bot off. Okay, I'm going to turn on the cooldown actually. I thought I had it on. Why? It is. Alright, we're just gonna turn that bot off. And go back to working on the other one. Yeah, what's up, Cole? Those are starred out on my side, man. I don't know what you're saying. Message.member.id. So member, it's a different kind of object. Okay, here, hold on. Let me see a way to do this. Let me just show you something. Console.log. So pay user is an object that is going to contain a lot of information. So pay user. So let's just console log it, and then we'll go from there. So did it again. So I'm going to pay you Cole on this server. So pay at Cole one coin given, and then it shows me all the information that I can mess with. So verification level, it shows embed enabled, undefined, channel IDs and stuff, all your roles. Yeah. User, and then there should be, is there a member? Shows your nickname. Timestamp for join timestamp. That's a lot of stuff, yeah. Do you host the bots on a Windows VPS? Well, I don't host any bots personally. We have, for source, it's I can't remember what host I use, to be honest with you. I think it might have been Google. So members is a collection. And then it'll check if that, like, this members collection, if the role is present or if the permission is present. So each role is going to have like permissions and whatnot, so it can check through there. But yeah, it shows your username, your ID, discriminator, avatar URL, if it's a bot, last message, all that good stuff. But yeah. And let me get rid of that real quick. Okay, so to host its bot 24/7, use vulture.com if you're gonna want to pay for one. But if you want to use one that's kind of crappy, you can go to the source code and go to Discord bot dev, and you can go to the pins, click on the first pin right here, and this will show you how to use glitch.com hosting. It's free, 100% free. All you have to do is upload your code there, and yeah, you'll have to log in like once a day, make sure everything's online, just keep it online, but it's right there. All right, so let's go back to coding Gertie. Actually, how long have we been going for? 2 hours now? I'll take it. Yeah, DigitalOcean, I'm pretty sure is pretty cheap. All right, cool. I'll see you later, man. Thank you for the bits. Thank you for the $5 donation. You're awesome, dude. Actually, are you on the source code? Normally, we haven't been doing this, but we're going to start. At Cole. What about Squiddy? Squiddy, that's you, right? Donator. There you go. You're a donator now. That's you, right? Cool. All right. I give you the donator role. It just gets you in this special chat right here. I'll check your message after the stream, though. All right. So let's go back to coding this bot. What else do we need to do for this? Do you guys remember? Because I don't. He did donate $5 on Super Chat. It'd be really dope if I could build a bot that works with Discord and YouTube and Twitch. That'd be cool. That way it just automatically gives them the donation or the donator role. They just have to leave their username or whatever in there. Excuse me, sorry. I still have my allergies going on, so. What else do I need to do for this, guys? Okay, I need to get rid of the console log. Where is that at? I already got rid of it? Yeah, cool. Yeah. No, this is just like the streamer's downfall. You'll start looking at chat and like it'll get active for a second after you've been doing something for a few minutes, and you'll go back to do that thing. You won't remember what that thing is whatsoever. All right, so I'm gonna switch to NetRPG and we're gonna debug that. Morgan, I will message you later and we'll talk about what else we need to do. Right now we have the announce, the accept. Okay, coins wasn't finished yet. Let's finish coins first and then we'll switch to NetRPG. All right. Hold on, let me reply to my brother real quick. And then we argue. No, I get that. Bruh. Without getting too personal, the night I moved out was way dumb. I don't think anyone really wants to hear my personal story, so I won't say anything, but so let amount equal coins message.author.id.coins, and then let embed equal new discord. Look at my PM. You can show the stream. That gets iffy, man. I've literally leaked the source code, like the source code, like email password that is like the YouTube channel is made with. So I've leaked that on accident through PMs because I accidentally showed. Were you sad or were you really excited, happy? My story is kind of like messed up. I moved out a few times and like I was living at home for like a year and then I moved out, and that was over a year ago now. So I've been living on my own like continuously for like a year now. I mean, I'm only 22, so I'm not that old, but I definitely stayed there longer than I should have. Message.author.id, or no, username. Set description. You have amount, all right, coins. And then we'll set color, config dot, we'll do gold. Message dot channel dot send, and then we'll do message dot delete up here. Message dot delete. Just so you know, iCourt never left you. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I don't mind lurkers. We have, I mean, we're still at 15 viewers and we have like 4 active chatters, and I'm totally fine with that. As long as there's someone chatting, I'm cool. Like, it's Gucci. It's to get IDs. I'm working on a client bot right now, Redstone, so we'll look at it in a minute. Actually, I think this is about it for this part of it. I'm just gonna switch over. I have 3 DMs. There we go. So I have 240 coins. Oh, the doc. Okay. No, if you stop chatting, I'm just going to go offline. Alright, let me check Snap real quick. Because my brother wants me to come hang out. Alright, so that's done. Everyone check your coins. Actually, I'm going to add something real quick. Basically, we're going to do this. And then, okay, so a cool thing you can do with this is you can add another or, 2 lines that means or. Message.author. And then we can change this to I don't even know what's a good thing to say. Okay, they listen to you, iCourt. Now, iCourt, you have to talk. You're not allowed to stop conversating with me now. Coins is user. Is user? We'll just use user. And then we do this. And this. And this. And this. That way, if you mention someone, it'll... Oh, wait, no, we need to... No, that's fine. So, coins. It still shows me, but if I do coins at Garfield... Okay, so he has 373, but why is it not? Is it name? That might be why. Coins at Garfield. Does it have delete? Yeah, delete's right here. I normally do that on all commands just because it makes it cleaner. Charlie, how's it going, man? Thank you for stopping by. Alright, I'm going to check. Everyone's asked me to check PMs, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, he has a doc. Squiddy sent me hello. Why are you sending me that, Redstone? I have that. I have that in tutorial bot. Okay, we're just gonna so we're gonna change this a little bit. So it's just gonna be coins. And then user.username has amount coins. That should be good. So coins. Net has 240 coins. And then coins at Garfield. Why is it undefined? That's a description. Name, maybe? Oh, the coin embed, yeah, that doesn't delete. Coins at Garfield. I'm gonna lose my mind. Whenever you don't know what to do, just console log it. Go for it. Yeah, man, I'll make it. Once I finish everything, we'll talk about what you need to delete. Garfield, why'd you send me 4 messages? I can check them on my phone, I guess. This is on... I hate you, Garfield. It's user.username. It's a bag of memes. Yeah, it basically is. Clear's not yet there yet, man. We can delete this channel and recreate it if we need to, if you want to clean it up. But I mean, this is just a test server, so it doesn't really matter. Once I get the base of every command down, we'll go through and like fine tune it how you want. Alright, so I can't... Okay. Coins at Garfield. Now we have the entire object. So what's it saving as? That's dumb. So maybe I should do it differently. User.user. So muser. We're gonna change this just to keep it from like clashing with message user. That's all it's gonna be. And then we're gonna get rid of this. M and M. Muser. There we go. There we go. So now we can go ahead, since he wants it deleted, we can go ahead and do m. Okay, so let me m arrow function m.delete. How many seconds do you want, Morgan? How many seconds do you want to delete it after? 10 seconds? 10's probably fair. All right, there's the problem. Yeah, Court, you just gotta reload. 10 seconds, fine. All right. I'm going to do a lot of fine-tuning off stream just because it's going to be a lot easier for me to work and focus on it and get everything like how it needs to be, because when I'm streaming it's just so easy to make mistakes. So with that said, I am going to switch to, we're going to go ahead and stop developing this right now, and we're going to go ahead and switch back to the NetRPG bot. Alright, so let's take a look where we were last time. I had around 20 Google tabs open. Is your computer still alive? Alright, so where were we? I think Rob. Let's just test everything out. Jared RN, thank you for stopping by, man. How's it going? I had about 500 tabs open. This is why computers are going to become self-aware and kill us. This is why. Are you working on a supercomputer? Is that what kind of system you got going on over there? If so, I'd like to come visit. How? No, I was asking someone else about it. Redstone said he had 500 tabs open, man. That is insane. We're not dropping anything. All right, Sir Sweaty, I'll see you later, man. I'll let you know. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more tonight because my brother just got back in town today. He was down in Florida for a week, so I'm gonna go visit him in about 30 minutes, as long as he's still around. I'll see you later, Morgan. That's a nice processor, though. Will you ever create a music bot? Actually, speaking of that, I'm going to do like 2 or 3 more weeks of regular Discord JS. Then I'm going to take either a week or 2 off, completely spend all my time working on getting a music bot running, efficient, and everything. And then I'm going to do that series. I just found an extension that might save my life. It's called the Great Suspender. What does it do? Gets rid of unused tabs? Nice. I want the GTX 1050 Ti. That's going to be my next card. I have the 750 right now. And it's not a Ti, so. It's 650 Ti. I mean, I'm sure you can still do stuff. It's not like, I mean, yeah. I don't have a terrible card. I just need a better one. Oh, I can play Fortnite and stream it. Why is this not coming off? There we go. Yeah, I'm hoping to get that series. My whole coil is unscrewing right now. Great. It's about to start leaking. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, man, I'm excited to do the Music Bot series. With my computer, I can't even play Fortnite. Dude, I just about did break my vape. The coil is coming out, which isn't supposed to come out. Yeah, no, it's... Let's mess with that afterwards. Still running fine. We're Gucci. I just can't refill it. They just smoke like a barbecue. Yeah, a lot of people are like that. A lot of the big arguments against vaping is that people don't actually stick to it. And it's like the most ignorant thing to say ever. Oh, look at all those. I'm just reformatting a bunch of code while I think of what else to do. Alright. So, does everything work? Let's go hang out here. Resource collection. Hunt? Okay. I do have a weapon, though. That's... Oh, I don't. Okay. Do you plan on streaming tomorrow? Probably not. We're gonna keep the streams like twice a week for me, just because like, have you? I mean, right now the stream's been going on for over 2 hours. We're still at 16 viewers, so obviously the less frequent streams are gonna work out a lot better. I just realized how crappy I'm looking. I'm sorry, guys. You have to look at my face. It's probably why no one's chatting, because they just listen to me. But hopefully Tuesday. I might push it back to Thursday though. Let's do a give command. So we're gonna need all of this. No, we're gonna need the inventory stuff. So all of this. And let's go to commands. Give.js. And we need... I could have just typed it, but I'm lazy. Module.exports.help equals. I bought a new motherboard for my laptop around a week ago. I shorted mine, and it's been a week, and he still hasn't sent it. I watched a YouTuber that streamed for 14 hours. Man, I've seen him go for like multiple days. You know what, Jared? I've definitely been thinking about that. I want to. It's just I don't think there's enough bots out there for me to do that. Like enough. I mean, there's a lot more to test on a motherboard. Like, you have to test CPU, RAM, make sure like it can hold power and everything. You need to actually hook it up to an actual computer before you just start saying. Okay, so this is gonna work a lot like inventory. Except, okay, so if let's just okay, so let's see here. Fish inv message.author.send. Oh no, I'm dumb. Message.author.id. Return. Oh, we don't have errors in this one. Ah. Oh, we don't need to, because we don't need return. Community bot showcases. Yeah, I'd love to do that, man. Mastermind, welcome back, man. Looks like my brother replied. 1 second. Okay. It's getting lit tonight. Hold on. Don't go away. It's getting lit tonight. That's what he just sent me. That's a box of Corona. Go turn it up on a Sunday. Looks like I'm having a couple drinky poos with my brother tonight. Your boy's back. What happened with plugin showcases? Bro, plugins are just not my thing. And that was really just a series to get me back into doing YouTube videos. So we might start them up again. No, I said it was going to stop. The last video, I'm like, this is the last video for Plugin Spotlight for now. We're going to take a small break. And that small break turned into 6 months at least. Because the last video was sent in September. So what is this? March. So 6 months. Yeah. Yeah. I can't read your name, but person on YouTube, I'm sorry, man. Your name is just literally special characters, it looks like. Well, hold on. Amen. I see amen. 1/4 amen. I just referred you to a third person. Or I just referred you in third person. What do you mean? Oh, I get you. I'm dumb. But yeah. The plugin, I mean, I said I'm going to stop. Wait, so what is the... I don't even remember what these JSON files look like. So inventories. Fish, okay. Fish. Okay. Inv message.author.id is equal to fish 0. Alright, now let's copy this. And there's 4 different types of resources. So let's add that 4 times. And then we can just do wood. And then we can do ore. Could you do trophies for a Discord bot? What do you mean? Well, Deshaun's on Streamlabs. I can see him logging in. How do you link your bot to YouTube? What do you mean, man? Are you talking about like... I don't even know what you mean. You can tie in your bot with the Google API. I'm pretty sure those are kind of hard to get. I'm not 100% sure on that. You have to sign up and have like a really legitimate reason. Okay, so let user fish equal fish inv author.id equal. Okay, are you ready for this? Control Alt down. Doesn't work. Does not work anymore. Ned's a potato. You right, I am. How's it going, Deshaun? How you doing? He should be out of work. So to do that, like that kind of thing, you would just go to your index file and have like a message count.json and then just like, I mean, that'd be pretty intensive. So, I mean, but my roommate is watching Netflix. Tell him to turn that off. I just cussed, but I'm trying to censor myself. Control-Alt-Up. No. Why is this not working anymore? JSON files? That's not the right term there. How do you make JSON files log down the page? Honestly, I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Because I just make a way to read from the JSON files in... I got 20 coins for sending them. No, man, I tried it. I don't know why it won't work. It sucks, though. Alright, so wood. Or. JSON. .jason files, yeah. He didn't rejoin. I removed the roles from him. I saw the message. And I'm like, and I went on standby. And I sent him a message. He's still like. I read it. That's why I went on. Yeah, I sent him a message. He's a good dude. So I mean, there's no hard feelings there. No, he didn't leave. You can always check. Hold on. Hopefully this isn't on. Yeah. You can always check join log. Oh my gosh. We've had a lot of people join today. How many we at? We broke 1,300. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. 384 online currently. Dark's in here. Coding is a bad word. Burn it. What is the next level reset? We're gonna do another overhaul of SourceBot. Is it easy to make an anti-curse bot? Yeah, I mean you just make an array and then pass it through a for loop or for each loop and check for each word. And then if it contains the word, if it includes it, that's a little hint there. Just message that delete. do help, dang it. When we release that, Garfield. Whenever that gets released, I don't know what the timeline on that is right now. So, yeah, no. SourceBot's made in JDA, so anyone watching, please don't ping me about things going on with the bot. Don't ping anyone. We'll make a bot bugs channel eventually that you guys can post in. Or we'll make a command where you can report a bug. Yeah, we should do that. I'm gonna send them a message right now. There is one? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Hold on. You. Make a bot tutorial with JDA. I think Deshaun's thinking about it. You guys should tweet at TheSourceCode on Twitter and say to make a JDA tutorial series. Maybe he'll do it. Maybe he'll cave in. There is? What? Oh no, the channel's there, but not the command. The hacker, there is already a tutorial series, or a tutorial basically for that. If you go to report, it's gonna work the same way. So go to the report video. Let me send the message. We should make the bug report command. Garfield, I'm gonna ban you. I checked your PM. No, on Twitter, man. Do it on Twitter. No, I know. I'm on standby because I'm in admin chat, so I don't want to. Let me get out of that real quick. All right, I was right. Okay, I was on standby. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to give. All right. Oh. Cole with another 10 bits, man. I thought you left. What are you doing back? Did the bits go in there? I wish if you shook this, it would just like move, or the bits inside would like shake. I didn't see it. Andrew did. Andrew saw it, but you didn't see it. But you sent it to me. How can you not see it, you idiot? Well, we appreciate it. Hey, every bit counts, man. All right, so let us finish up this command real quick. So let item equal args 1. And then let's do a user check as well. So and we'll just do the user check up here. And message.delete. And we're just gonna do is 2 lowercase deprecated? I mean, you could always look it up. Now you should try SwitchBot thing on stream. I don't know if I'll try it on stream. Once I figure it a little bit out, I don't think this is. I don't think it's deprecated because it's a JavaScript thing, not a Discord JS thing. But I definitely want to try it on stream just because I wouldn't know what I'm doing. I can't just pick up a language or a API and automatically know it or know how to use it. I'd take a little bit more time learning it. Does that? Okay, cool. So let G user, we'll just call him G user. If item is equal to, and we're gonna make that just 2 because I think it's gonna save it as well, it might save it as string, so we're good. I'm gonna guess that means Ethan game. How's it going, Ethan? You should learn assembly net. What's that? If it's like a really easy language, then I don't really want to mess with it. Stealing waffle, how's it going? Binary is better. Yeah, dude. I'll learn binary real quick. Hold on, my brother's calling. Sorry about that, guys. Let me just, I have to send a message real quick. Okay, we're Gucci. Everyone still here? Did I lose all my viewers in that minute call? Why is my bitrate so low? Alright. Cool. Alright, so if item equals fish, and we're just gonna go ahead. Actually, we want to return it in here. We want to make sure we return. We don't forget to do that. We dropped about 1,000 viewers. Okay, I'll be able to reformat it here in a second. There we go. So, wood or and oh my god, meat. There we go. I couldn't remember. Why did she screenshot that? Whatever. People screenshot the weirdest stuff. Flake, it is already updated. Go to episode 18 code and it'll all be updated there, man. I promise. I'm pretty sure you've asked like 3 times and it's been updated every time you've asked. Man, that is burnt. Okay, so if all right. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, so we need a let me get the format of this. Give user fish 6 or 5. So 0, 1, 2. Do I have amount saved? Amount, oh, okay. Amount equal args is 2. So if amount is more than ufish, return message dot I need to set up these utilities. Working on my cat app and free code camp still. I'm still here. Cole, thank you for hanging out, man. Just might have some extra things to watch while I'm making my bot. I got you. What you making just like a normal like moderation / kind of fun stuff? Or what are you making? My nose is starting to run as soon as I'm about to go hang out with my brother. Cool. You do not have enough fish to do that. So if is not a number, amount, return message.reply, oof, if amount is less than 0, return message.reply, oof, I'm making something for somebody despite me having very minimalistic experience with JS, let alone Discord JS. Man, that's okay. Ethan, I don't plan on doing an eval command just because it can be used for malicious like intent, and I don't want to be responsible for that kind of thing. Like if someone goes onto a big server and has a self bot, and they learn how to do eval commands. I don't even know. I haven't messed with self bots or eval, so I don't really know how these two play together. But if like, so eval can be used for like malicious stuff, so I don't really want to mess with it. There are tutorials out there. Go to an idiot's guide if you want to learn. Go there. He's a great programmer. He's great at what he does. He knows a lot about Discord.js. So okay. So Fortnite, I might do that in a little bit. He is a god. Yes, he is. I feel like I'm glad to hear that. No problem, man. Sorry I couldn't help you. I just I don't want to do a eval command. I'm the only mod still watching. Well, I appreciate you. How do you comment in JSON files? Nope. You can't. No, you can't. Unless, I don't think that works. I don't want to mess with these. Steven, yes. That's why I'm going to do that next time. I'm going to do like... So you saw my utilities video, hopefully. Utilities, lightly used. I'm going to start making functions or whatever and different modules to do that. Chat is so delayed. I'm assuming that's what you meant. Yeah, man. If you do !Twitch, you'll be able to go to our Twitch channel. That's like a 8-second delay. YouTube is like a 45-second delay just because Restream, for some reason, favors Twitch over YouTube, which that makes sense. Twitch is more commonly used for live streaming, so... Nope, he said JSON files. I moved away from YouTube. I feel you. So the way we're going to have it set up is YouTube streaming is going to be all code. And then Twitch streaming is going to be like me and Deshaun's like fun nights, like playing Overwatch, Fortnite, whatever game you guys want to see, whatever game we want to play, and stuff like that. All right, so... Okay, I haven't got the text. I'm going to wait for the text. Did I send her the right number? Hold on. About to said it out loud. I kind of have a solution. What do you mean? Yeah, no, yeah. That's what it said on this Stack Overflow thing. He said that like use _ comment and then comment text goes here and you can just use that. Man, that's some extreme JSON file stuff. That's a good question. Back in the day when I used Stack Overflow. I meant Fortnite command. I'll be doing hopefully a video on that soon. I can... So here you can go here. You can go to the API, FortniteTracker.com, and then you can do one request per 2 seconds. So I would set a cooldown on this for 2 seconds. And here's the how to get it. So get, and then platform, epic name, platforms, PC, Xbox Live, PS Network, stuff like that. And then there's even like a, so npm JS Fortnite. Oh, let's see, which one is it? What is this? Online. What a piece of trash. This looks like a bunch of just rambling. Is this a real plugin? There's the text. All right. So I got 15 minutes before I got to be somewhere about 5 minutes away. So I'm about 10 minutes I'm going to end stream. How long are we going for? Almost? Okay. We're going to make a 3-hour mark. Ethan, please go to the Discord server, do !Discord to join. Or if, I think Garfield was on there. Garfield, if you could do it. I don't... Are you talking about the Fortnite thing, Steven? Because I kind of use it. Here. So, YouTube. Cole with another 5 bits, man. You're awesome, dude. Really appreciate it. So let me go. You get to see what we watch. Me and Deshaun. So if we go to my channel real quick. Fortnite. Weird compilations. I think there's Super Agent, which is like a Git, HTTP Git thing. Where is it at? So what this does? Okay, so it pulls it from like a URL. I don't think that'll be enough. It might be. Try it. Thanks, iCourt. I'm in IT. Nice, man. That's not the link we needed. We needed the Discord one, man. Do !Discord. All good, Cole. We appreciate every donation, man. Oh, he's in it. I thought you meant IT. I'm like, what? Oh, okay, cool. All right, so I think this is the one I use, or I haven't used, but I've been looking at. That doesn't seem right. They're asking for your email password. I don't think you need that. I don't think you should need that. What about this one? This is the one. Yep, this is the one I was going to use. So basically you just require... so you install Fortnite. It's literally just called Fortnite on NPM. 135 downloads in the past 7 days. That's decent. And then you add your API key, and then you just get the data. This actually looks really easy. This chick just texted me and she spelled my name wrong. And she expects a ride. Yeah, no. It's getting dark out. No, I'm losing my light. Hold on. Oh man, it's gotten so much darker. 1 second. I'm only live for like another 2 minutes, but you know, whatever. I don't think that added much light. All right, Steven, I'll see you later, man. But yeah, check out this package. So yeah, I'll have a video on it hopefully this week. I'll even start programming it tomorrow. I just saw the link or the... Oh, sorry. I thought it was advertising. Can you untime out him? How long did it time him out for? I'm sorry. 600 seconds. Sorry, man. Did you just call me Deshaun? You saw me do it on screen. I really like Streamlabs. All right. So, when did she say that? What is your stream schedule? So, we don't really have one right now. I try to stream like every weekend. I'm gonna get into the habit of doing like I was doing it like every Saturday morning at like noonish Eastern time. But I want to start doing like maybe just do Saturday, Sunday, do weekend streams. Would you guys be down with that? Yeah, it's just Streamlabs OBS. So you can go to streamlabs.com. I'm not going to open it now because it'll show our dashboard and I don't really want to show that. But you go to streamlabs.com and do that there. There'll be a download somewhere. Or like you can just do Streamlabs OBS. And it'll be right here. And download beta. And is there... I don't know if there's a Mac version, but don't stream on Mac. So yeah, I'll play with this later tonight probably. What's your choice of JS framework for front end? I really haven't messed with enough to have an opinion on that. I've messed with just like the base JS stuff, like JavaScript stuff, and playing around with it. And then I really got into JavaScript whenever I got into Discord JS. So that's what like pushed my motive to learn JavaScript even more further. But I've been like, as far like I haven't really messed with yeah, I don't suggest using other people's code. So, but it's Mineplex, so yeah, it's good probably. But I'm trying to think how I'm going to use this. So this would be data. Made in Vegas, thank you so much for the follow, man. But I've started using Electron, Made in Vegas. I really just haven't messed with it enough to have an opinion on that yet. Yeah. All right. Sorry, Made in Vegas followed, but you guys showed up right at the end. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. It was a great stream today. I'll probably try to do these a little bit more often, maybe 3 times a week. Hypixel's code is better than Mineplex, but Hypixel isn't leaked. Mineplex is like everything was leaked like last year. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out. I had a lot of fun today. We got a lot done. All right. I want to hit that 3-hour mark, so I'll sit here and talk to you guys till we do that. Made in Vegas, what's your favorite JS front end or framework for front end? I'm still here, man. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna wait another 2 minutes. Not yet. I want to do 3 hours. I want to make it 3 hours, man. Man, I wonder. We had like a really good stream today. Like we held like 20 some viewers for a while. I didn't drop any frames, so that's on your side. I'm trying the TwitchBot API. Have I had any previous programming knowledge languages? I worked as a programmer at a financial assessment firm for a year, so yeah. Marcus Roman, I'll see you later, man. Yeah, Redstone, I saw your PM. I'll check it out later. Yeah, so I just recently downloaded again, so our project. This is like a super like 90s, a super 90s project. I think it was, hold on, about R. When was it started? I think it was made. Oh, that was the wrong button. It's just really hard on my CPU to stream in 1080p, man. I try to do the best bitrate I can. This is the same quality I record YouTube videos in, so you should be able to see it fine. I might even, what am I at? 30 frames a second and 720p. I'll probably, if I keep on doing, well, I guess I could bump it up to 1080p. I don't know on stream, man. That's just really hard to stream. Yeah, no, that makes sense because the screen's smaller. But it's not so much as like, it's not, you're not supposed to be following along. This is just me coding and talking to you guys and answering any questions, like not help questions, but like, or just talking to you guys, really. All right, I think we hit it. All right, 3 hours. We're Gucci. I will see you guys on Wednesday with my video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out, guys. I really appreciate it. Cole, thank you so much for the donations, all the bits, and all the in the super chat earlier. You're freaking awesome. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.